Hey folks, welcome to another edition of Get to Know Your Honda at Stovall Honda. Today I want to talk to you about a really cool feature we have. It's called Honda Cabin Talk. This allows you to speak to your passengers in the back third row using the vehicle's own speaker system. Now let me show you how it works. Hey Ryan, we've arrived at Stovall Honda.
Oh, great.
Now, this feature is found on all of our Odysseys and most of our Pilot models. Using the vehicle's own infotainment system, you simply push the Cabin Talk button. This turns off the radio, and now I can speak to people in the back of the vehicle. Whether they're sitting back in the third row or you have kids in the back on a long trip, this allows you to speak to them through the vehicle's own speaker system. Well, that's a great feature for people that have second and third row seating in their vehicles. Well, thanks again, folks, for listening to another edition of Get to Know Your Honda at Stovall Honda.